You guys, I just got off of work, and when I say I am exhausted, I'm about to be in traffic for 1 hour because the traffic from Virginia into Maryland after 3 o'clock is always so long, so freaking long. So I haven't talked on here in a really long time. I think in like 2 years. I was on here during the pandemic, and then life happened. So I am a systems engineer, and I work in Virginia. So my commute in the morning is like 30 minutes, but my commute in the afternoons range from like 45 minutes to 65 minutes. And today I feel like in my bones, I feel like it's going to be a good 65 minutes. And honestly, I just want to cry, but that's not going to solve anything. So yeah, I'm about to just put on some good music. I think I might put on some Chris Stapleton and just like cruise home because I'm tired. I got like 4 hours of sleep, which is my fault, but still. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just vlog my after work routine. So that's basically what this is gonna be. It's gonna be my after work routine because I can't vlog a full week. What I do for work, I can't bring any like technology or anything around that, so you guys will never really get a glimpse of that. So for the 10 hours or 8 hours that I am working, that's not something that I can share, but I can do my morning routine, I can vlog my after work routine, evening routine, and even my gym routine. So I think today I might record my workout or maybe just my evening routine and make it into like a post work vlog. I don't know. I'm still getting comfortable with the whole idea of recording and people staring at me, so bear with me. But yeah, your girl's tired. I'm tired. I'm not gonna do a whole, oh my god, I've been gone off of YouTube for 2 years, welcome me back. No. Life happened. I got off of YouTube. I'm back. And woo, we about to do it, you know? That's all that it is. No need to pretend. Life happens. Still in traffic. And I'm in the HOV lane because I'm just so impatient. I'm basically risking a $500 fine so I can get home. But it's not even moving. The HOV lane is not moving either. Like, I just don't get it. I just don't understand. And then now, it's raining. Mind you, rain was not in the forecast for today. It just started randomly. I was going to go get gas because I don't like being past half a tank, but I'm going home because guess what? I deserve a nap. This is too much, okay? This is too much. So I didn't mention that I recently got my own apartment back in October. Yeah, it's lots of changes. I actually have to go pick up some packages. So I have to get some packages from the hub locker that we use here. So yes, I moved into my apartment last year towards the end of October, which is crazy because that means I've been here November, December, January, February, March, April, May, 7 months, which is so crazy to me. I love it. It's a quiet area. The apartment is beautiful. It's a 2-bedroom, but I use one of the other rooms as an office because I am still trying to build up my skills as an engineer. So yeah. And yeah, I love it because I have underground parking. Okay, shit makes me feel so bougie. I'm not bougie, but hey. Please ignore that. I'm not putting on my seatbelt to park. But I did not do a tour because I don't know. But I'll show you guys the inside when I get in. If you don't reverse park, what is going on with you? Because reverse parking is so superior. Like, I don't know any other kind of way to park. Like, this is the one way that I park. Is the one way I will always park. I love it. It makes me feel like a badass. So I am basically back, lady, because I leave my house with a lot of bags and I come back with even more bags. Packages. I got some goodies at work today from my manager. And then I stole some free soda at work because one of the perks is we get unlimited drinks. Oh. Okay. Child, this is a balancing act. My arms hurt. Okay. Let's see. So this morning I was getting ready for work and I realized I had no more soap. Like soap. So I was like, you know what? Let me order some from Amazon. I have a love-hate relationship with Amazon because their delivery is trash and sometimes the customer service is even worse. But I knew that by the time I came home from work, my soap would be here. So I got some soap. And as I mentioned, these are shoes for my best friend from Mother's Day. Because I'm just that great of a friend. I got her some Pandas. She's been dying for these shoes, and they dropped the other day, and I was on my computer. I was like, you know what? Let me try and get it for her. So happy Mother's Day, Roz. But yeah, I'm about to change and take a nap on the couch because I don't want to mess up my bed, but I'm so tired. So tired. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a little apartment tour. It's me. Starting here. This is my pantry, coat closet, storage, everything all in one. I have to organize it because the disorganization actually makes my skin crawl, but right now I ain't got the time, so it's just gonna stay like that. This is the extra bedroom, which I am turning into an office because I am still studying for certifications. I told you all I'm a system engineer, so I'm currently studying for other certifications just to get ahead in my new career as an IT professional, whatever you want to call it. But yes, y'all, my job gave me this. Isn't this like lovely? But yeah, so this still needs a lot of work, but this is my den, aka my office. And from there we go into my very messy kitchen, which is okay because I clean up on Sundays. I'm probably gonna tidy up tonight, but this is my kitchen. And then from there we go into the restroom, which I just recently redecorated, but I just got into plants, so I added a plant, I added some pictures. I absolutely love the shower curtain. I got a rug. From there, you enter my bedroom, which is my favorite room in the house because of my bed. I haven't really gotten much decorations yet. Still working on it. I am spending within my means and not above my means. So yeah, but I absolutely love my bedroom. It is just, it makes me happy. There's my mirror and there's me. I finally organized my makeup. I'm gonna get a dresser because my closet, let me show you guys my closet. It's absolutely a mess. My closet needs, what's that lady's name? The lady who folds clothes and tells you if it doesn't make you happy, throw it away or something like that. I don't know. I need her to come in here and help me out, but I'm gonna get a dresser so I can organize my closet. I feel like if I could just put my fitness clothes in my closet, I would have so much more space. I collect sneakers, so a lot of my closet space has gone towards my shoe collection. I have to stuff my drawers and my socks in there. My purses just look so odd. You know, I just really need to redo my whole closet. So we're gonna work on that. And last but not least, my living room, which is also messy. But yeah. Oh, let me introduce you guys to my flowers. This is Monty, my Monstera. This is Vicky, aka Victoria, aka Victory. In here is my ZZ plant, which my siblings and I decided to name Aurora Fiona. I'll tell you guys. So the reason we named her Aurora and Fiona is because ZZ plant like sleep, like catching Z's. Aurora was Sleeping Beauty. She was sleep. Fiona in Shrek, she was also sleep until they kissed her. So we decided to name her. We couldn't decide between Aurora and Fiona, so I just named her Aurora Fiona or Fiona Aurora, whichever you want to call her. But yes, that is her name. I love how bright it gets in here. I wish I had enough room to put like a makeup table to do my makeup, but I don't. But I'll probably just get a chair where I can sit here and do my makeup. Y'all, the gym has been... But yeah, that is my house. That is my humble abode, okay? It is messy. Don't judge me. Judge your mama. And that's it. I'm about to take a nap. I definitely woke up late from my nap. I'm on the phone with my sister. She's having a terrible week. So, but yeah, I'm about to get dressed for the gym. I'm not even gonna eat. So I am running so late. I was gonna take some pre-workout, but I think it's gonna keep me up tonight. So I'm not gonna do this. I'm going to drink a Celsius energy drink. Usually before I go work out, I have a meal, which is usually my dinner. But because I overslept, that's why naps are so dangerous. I'm just gonna do a protein shake. And I'm also gonna have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with it. So, 2 scoops of vanilla protein. This is my favorite protein powder. You guys, I've lost 15 pounds since the year began. 15. All right. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna take one of these tuna packets with me to the gym so that after my workout, I can eat it on my way home. So that when I get home, I don't have to worry about eating. I forgot to take my vitamins earlier, so I'm about to just take them now with my pre-workout. Don't be like me, y'all. Be better. And yes, I take all my pills together. I've been doing this since I was a kid. I'm used to it. Back in my country, there's no gentle teaching. Throw it all back. All right, I think we're ready to go. Ready to go. Y'all, look at my water bottle stickers. So my company gave us some stickers, and I was so impressed because, what? Java, keep calm and code on. I'm about to start learning coding. I'm so excited. It's so cute. I'm really just trying to get to 10,000 steps. I'm over it.
That's money.
Yeah. I always leave the gym very late. It makes no sense. Which is probably why I only get like 4 hours of sleep every day. But it's okay. It is okay. My rest day is on Friday and Saturday, which means I'm going to sleep so good. But now I'm rushing home to go shower and get in bed. This is my neighbor, and this man is always outside smoking. I'm just glad he doesn't smoke in the building, which is not allowed, but dude.